All right, YouTube, let's do the unboxing of the FlashPoint X100 lithium-ion round head flash. This one happens to be for Nikon, but they're all exactly the same. The X100 has the SU1 detachable sub-flash that goes onto the front of the flash. I've only ever used the V1, so this will be interesting. Start out with the instruction manual. Okay. We have the foot with the standard ⅛20. We have the lithium-ion battery. We have the case for the flash, and inside is the actual flash. Okay. The case has a belt loop, and on the side it has a compartment for the SU1 flash. Over here, underneath we've got our USB-A to C charging cable. And in the box, we have the SU-1 flash. And what else? The charging cable brick goes with that. Okay. Move the box out of the way. So here is battery. Pops into the flash. Power on. Rotate the dial. Okay. And the SU1 fits down into port somehow. I've seen this done. Let me see here. Yep. Just pushes back and then in. Take a look. You've got the USB charging port here. Actually, I'm not sure. We got two USBs. Oh yeah, so this is for the directly charging the battery. This is for the flash, and I guess that would also how you would do a firmware upgrade. On the bottom, we have a port for an external battery. And this is the new system. Wi-Fi, sender, receiver, menu, and wireless. So this is if you were going to manage other flashes, or if you were going to be a slave to other flashes. Menu, love this screen. You can directly use your fingers on it. And let's see, power type. So we've got all of these options. I'm not going to go over the options. This is just an unboxing. But you can see how you're able to control the flash output. Okay, for the power output, you can touch and move back and forth, but your finger's in the way. You can actually drag your finger down so you can see the whole thing as you move back and forth. Or you can use the plus and minus on either side. But these are 10th stop increments, so it would take you a long time to go up a full stop. So it's best just to drag and then make fine adjustments as you need them. Okay, so we'll go into it, and we've got TTL and manual. You can slide your finger across to make power adjustments in either manual or TTL mode. So TTL plus 2 stops, for example. And then we've got manual. We can go 10th stops all the way up to full power, and all the way down to 1/256. We've also got the sub flash here. We can control that manually and turn it on and off. So if you're going to, for example, bounce light off the ceiling, but you still have the front flash to send light directly at your subject. And now I'll get to do the most satisfying part of it. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to play with it for a little while and see how well it's going to work. I just love the screen. Love being able to do this on the screen. Only 3 buttons. The home and on and off button, the select button on the dial, and then the test. So that's it for the buttons. So the rest is directly on screen. And then the standard way to attach it to your camera or other mount. All right, so we can turn it off. And we can pull the sub flash off. There's this little button to do that. The sub flash can fit on the side, or I guess see if the foot can fit on the foot can fit on the side too. So we'll leave the sub flash in. You actually have to push back the little bit of plastic, the spring-loaded plastic that covers it, and then seat it. And it fits just fine in the case. Well, I hope you found that useful. Go have fun playing with your new flash too.